In this video, you'll learn how to add the Google search bar to your iPhone home screen. If you found this helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing. To add the Google search bar to your iPhone home screen, first off we have to check in the App Store if the Google app is downloaded. So just search for Google. And if you have not downloaded Google to your iPhone, you can do this right now. But right here you can see that I've already installed Google on my iPhone. So go back to your home screen. Then you have to put your finger on the screen and wait for the little apps to start moving like this. Then go to the top left and click on Edit. Click on Add Widget. Then right here you can just go to the search bar and type in Google. Then click on Google. And right now you can choose from this small square search bar or this big one. I'll choose this one and click on Add Widget in the bottom. And right now we've added the Google search bar to our iPhone home screen. So if you found this helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like.